certainly a time to help those pets out, especially with these hot temperatures that we're seeing. If you can adopt them and take them into the AC, I am sure they would love it.
Air conditioning's great. You know, we tied a record high today. I think we'll get close tomorrow, and then it's going to stay right around that dangerous heat through the next 7. This is just typical Texas, right?
I was going to say, when I saw your map a second ago, triple digit, triple digit, triple digit, I'm like,
it gets a little repetitive, man. It's been a hot month. So let's pull up the almanac here. 107 was the high temperature today, as I pointed out, tied the record. Normal high 97, so 10 degrees warmer than normal. Sunset coming up at 8:05. Hopefully slightly cooler by sunset. Probably still in the triple digits, though. We've now had 25 of those triple digit days. Through the entirety of the year, we averaged 29. So I think at least through the end of the month, early September, we're talking possibly 35, 4,100 degree days. Now, triple digits to date, so through this evening, compared to recent years, it's been much worse. Look at 2023 and 2022. How about 2022, 68 times hitting that century mark. 2021, it's a personal favorite. 3 times we only hit 100 degrees. Right now when you're outside, 106 in Bastrop, 105 Rockdale, Austin, 100 in Burnet, 106 in Llano. Through the evening, going from 101 at 7 and by 11 o'clock, 91 degrees, a mostly clear sky overnight. Here's where we stand for Sunday morning. Not much of a window to cool down. Staying in the upper 70s and 80s through the metro, further west, mid to upper 70s. By the afternoon, here's your Sunday temps. I have 106 in Austin, 103 San Marcos, 105 Llano and Marble Falls. So this is near record-breaking, dangerous heat continuing through the morning and afternoon, going from the 70s to the 90s. Already by lunch, 97 degrees, abundant sunshine by the afternoon hours, 106 degrees at 4 p.m. This ridge is why we're so dry and hot. As we move through the next few days, the ridge will weaken and move a little bit to the west, but by next weekend, still going to continue to build, meaning there's not much big change in temperature. I don't have a front or any sort of trend to where we'll dip to even near normal temperatures, which is the upper 90s. So look at the 7-day run here. 106 on Sunday, and then now looking at some of the new data, I'm bumping Wednesday up to 106, slight dip 103 on Thursday, even beyond that, moving into early September, warmer than normal across the entirety of the Lone Star State. Well, here's the good news. Once you move through September and October, look at the fall average highs here in Austin, eventually well into the fall months, let's say the middle of October, normal high 83, so something fun to look forward to. Radar, I got nothing. I got a few spot showers out by I-45, but things are dry, no heat relief. There is a signal for a 10 to 20% rain chance. You'll see big picture that there could be some sort of weak system moving in from north to south towards central Texas. Not too confident, though, with this ridge in play. Notice through the next 7, fairly consistent highs above 100 degrees, and then we have lows in the 70s.